What are the things you can do right now, today, to start making a difference in your business and using the power of Pinterest? So, your next steps for today is I want you to make sure that Pinterest is right for you, okay? I want you to go on Pinterest and validate fit for your niche. So, if you sell a gardening course, to continue with our example, search gardening. Are you finding content? Are you seeing other businesses using it? If yes, it's a good indicator that it's a good fit for your business, okay? Um, if you're having a hard time finding the keywords that are related to your niche, just think about what it is that you do, right? So if you have a program for teaching kids how to be better with math, I don't know, I'm just coming up with stuff, right? Start looking in math teaching or parenting or kids at school, or start thinking a bit out of the box, and you'll start really seeing what kind of content is being shared on Pinterest. Is there presence of your niche? And I think you'll be surprised at seeing the numbers of pins, number of content that are in there, and the kind of diversity. It'll start giving you an idea of what are the pieces of content that work really well on Pinterest, and if there's a fit for you in terms of the content that you create. Most likely there will, to be honest with you. But I want you to look at it. It's one thing for me to tell you, but I want you to look at it with your own eyes and confirm for yourself. The second thing I want you to do is just grab a piece of paper and think of, based on the funnels that I've shared with you, the type of things that work very well on Pinterest, right? The freebies that I talked about. What are some of existing assets that you have, or maybe that you could create if you don't have any, that you could start driving traffic to using Pinterest? And then, because I want you to be able to get started successfully with Pinterest so you don't waste any time, I encourage you to grab the FabPin roadmap. It's a roadmap that I've created to and put together to help you in a very simple way understand what are the first 5 steps that you need to take to be successful on Pinterest. To grab your free Pinterest roadmap, simply click on the link below this video. This will take you to this page. Simply enter your name and email address, and I will send you the roadmap with the 5 easy steps that will set you up for success on Pinterest. You'll discover the 3 mistakes to avoid that hurt sales and learn how to get more clients and students using Pinterest. All right, I'll see you inside.